Hi everyone, let's solve this tricky math problem. Some people start with 3 minus 3, that equals 0, times 3 minus 3. 0 times 3 equals 0, minus 3, and 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. Or some people will start with 3 minus 3, which equals 0, times 3 minus 3 equals 0. So 0 times 0 equals 0. And some people think 0 is the answer, and some people think negative 3 is the answer. No, both answers are wrong. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem correctly using PEMDAS. PEMDAS is saying, hey, multiplication goes first. Why? Because multiplication is above the AS level, addition and subtraction. That's what the AS stands for, addition and subtraction, which is the lowest level in PEMDAS. And M and D, those two operations, multiplication and division, are both within its own level, and they're above the lowest level, which is AS, addition and subtraction. We don't have any exponents. We don't have any parentheses, which is the highest level. P is the highest level. And I do not see any division, but I do see multiplication. I do not see any addition, and I do see subtraction. So, and you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. So 3 times 3 goes first. So 3 times 3 is 9. Drop the 3 minus 3. Next, solve the math problem from left to right. So 3 minus 9 minus 3. The operations are the same, so we just solve it from left to right. So 3 minus 9. Anytime you're solving a math problem like this, 3 minus 9, I like to change it to addition. So this is positive 3, so you keep the first number. You change subtraction to addition, and then lastly you change this positive 9. There is a positive sign next to the 9. You just can't see it, but it's a positive. You change that positive 9, and I'll just rewrite it just so you can see. So you have positive 3 minus positive 9 in parentheses, and then you keep the first number, positive 3. You change subtraction to addition. And lastly, you change the positive to negative. So it's negative 9. And then you use the additional rule. Anytime you're adding two numbers with different signs, you subtract them both and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 9 is bigger than 3. So 9, you keep the negative. So the result will be negative. So 9 minus 3, 9, drop 3, you got 6. So 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. Next, I'll erase all this and keep the negative 6 there and drop the negative 3, or not negative 3, minus 3. So I'll do that again. I'll change this subtraction to addition. So negative 3 minus 3, so I'll write it like this, negative 3 minus positive 3. And then I change it into a addition. So then I can apply the additional rule. So I keep the first number, negative 6, change subtraction to addition, and lastly, change positive to negative. So it's negative 3. And then you apply the additional rule, which states any time you're adding two numbers with different, well, not different signs, same sign, you add them both and keep the same sign. So I add them both. So 6 plus 3, and you keep the same sign, so it's going to be a negative. 6 plus 3 is 9. So your answer is negative 9. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribed already, thank you so much for subscribing. And also hit that like button if you got the correct answer. And don't let these math problems trick you. Just follow PEMDAS and solve it from left to right within each level. And that way you don't get the wrong answer, because it's easy to get the wrong answer if you don't follow PEMDAS correctly. And remember, left to right within each level in PEMDAS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.